Mental health plays a major role in how we feel, work, and connect with others both on and off the job. Occupational health isn't just about physical safety, it includes mental and emotional wellness too. Supporting mental health means giving employees tools to manage stress, anxiety, and emotional challenges at work. Mindfulness tools, apps, and wellness spaces create moments for reflection and self-care throughout the workday. Creating space for open conversation reduces stigma and builds trust between employees and leadership. Small changes like guided breathing or calming spaces can lower stress levels and support emotional resilience. Education helps employees recognize signs of burnout in themselves and others and know when to reach out. When mental health is supported, morale improves, teamwork grows stronger, and productivity increases. Supporting mental well-being isn't just good for employees, it's essential for building a strong, resilient organization. A healthier workplace begins when we care for the whole person, mind and body. Learn more about workplace wellness. Visit medcor.com.